Welcome to the project demonstration of wireless power transmission. So here we are going to transmitting the power from primary coil to the secondary coil whenever we place the coil in this on this primary coil. So this system worked under the magnetical principle. So we are going to provide the 230 volts input, and this transformer will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC. And this is a regulator power supply board, and on this we can see the 4 diodes. So these 4 diodes are connected in a manner of bridge rectifier. So here bridge rectifier output, as we know that it will take the 12 volts AC input and it will provide the 12 volts pulsating DC. So in order to remove the pulses, here we have placed a 1000 microfarad capacitor, so which will provide the pure DC of 12 volts, and after this 7805 regulator, so we will get 5 volts constant power supply, which is sufficient to run our whole system. So once we provide the 5 volts constant power supply to this motherboard, so there will be an LED indication on this regulator power supply board, so it will show us the status of it is providing the 5 volts power supply. So here we are providing 5 volts power supply at this section, and after regulation also there may be a chance of ripples, and that will be neutralized by this 1000 microfarad capacitor again, and after that we will get exact 5 volts without any ripples. And this is the reset switch on this motherboard. So just this is the frequency crystal oscillator, which will provide the 20 mega frequencies to this system, and it will generate the 125 kilohertz of pulses. So that pulses given input through these wires to this MOSFET. So these capacitors are used for the resonance purpose, as we are using a copper coil. So the resistance of this coil is near to 0. So whenever we switching the frequencies to this copper coil, then the MOSFET may damaged or it may get heat up. So in order to provide a resonance, we are providing a 104J capacitors, 2 capacitors parallelly along with this copper coil. So we are providing 125 kilohertz frequency pulses through this MOSFET, and that pulse is given as input to this coil. So whenever we are providing a frequency pulses with a maximum current to the copper coil, so then EMF will be generated around this coil. So whenever we place another secondary coil, so this coil will induced, and due to this induced EMF, so it will provide us the voltage with same frequency. As we are providing the 125 kilohertz, same frequency also we have provided. So as we can see the same concept in a transformer also, because in transformer also these 2 coils, primary and secondary, are magnetically coupled. So we are providing less frequency, around 50 hertz. That's why whenever moving this primary to secondary, then there are so many losses. So in order to rectify them, we are increasing the frequency and the power. So primary coil, and when we place the secondary coil here, due to the induced EMF, the secondary coil will provide as the same output frequency voltage, right? That is given as input to the here same rectifier. Same, we can see the same board. After rectification, we will get DC, pulsating DC, and the pulses will be removed with the help of this capacitor. And after that, we connected a load, LED as a load in this project. So let us see the demonstration. So just provide the 230 volts input to this cable, and there we can see the light on and off. Initially you can see that. So I am switch off the power supply, and after some time the capacitors start discharges, and it is 0 now. So when we provided that light on and off, and after that it start giving pulses. So we can see that, right? There is no contact from the primary to secondary. So when it's coming near to the primary coil, so we can see the light brightness is increasing. When it is on the directly, so then right, so it's walk up to 2 inches of distance. So if we increase the number of turns in a both end, then we may go up to 1 meter also. That is the major features of this project. Then we need to increase the MOSFET ratings also, right? Yeah. Thank you.